My journey all started when I was a young leakling. I lived with my mom who took care of me. My father was dead, and all that mattered to me was my mom and my blue poncho.
Mommy, can I get the new PlayStation 1?
No, you can't get it. And not because we're poor, but because I need extra money for cigarettes in case I run out.
Aww.
A matter of minutes after that, she died of lung cancer and fell to the ground in a funny pose to make me cry even more.
Before I die, just know, I hate you.
No, Mommy! Wait, what does hate mean?
That day was a sad day for me. Do I blame my mother on first-hand smoking and getting lung cancer? No! It's all the cigarettes' fault. So that's why it's my goal to eliminate every smoker from the planet.
Pancho Man to the rescue!
So then I showed him the coupon, right? Mm-hmm. And then he still wouldn't take it.
Just talk to the manager and get all your money back at that point.
I was going to, that's exactly what I did. But it's just like, people these days, it's just like they have these conceptions. It's just a mess,
Yeah.
I just hate it.
Hey, what the heck are you two doing?
Having a conversation?
No, I mean the thing in your hand.
You mean like the cigarettes?
How dare you support that evil lung cancer? You two must be minions.
Chill out, bro. It's just a cigarette.
Yeah, man, leave us alone.
I must learn about your evil boss, lung cancer.
Evil boss? I just work at the sawmill.
Won't talk, eh? Then I'll just have to beat the information out of you. Justice! Justice! What the heck, man?
Listen, man, if you want to defeat lung cancer, just beat up people at the tobacco company.
As I beat up more delinquent smokers, I thought about what that smoker said about this tobacco company. After defeating all the smokers I could find, I decided to go to the main source, the company itself.
So this is the company that causes lung cancer. They will be destroyed. Who is this? So he must be pretty important here, huh?
From then on, I knew who I had to defeat to stop lung cancer from destroying the world. The worker with the name of Iceberg. I thought it would be nearly impossible to get to him, but it was easier than it looks.
Justice!
Who the heck are you and why did you just punch me?
Because you're the cause of the death of my mother and innocent civilians.
Sorry, man. I just work here. Like, we put warnings on the box and everything too.
That's just what you want me to think.
What?
I'll defeat you and have justice in the world.
What?
Get him down. Get him down. Get him down. Justice. Justice.
What the heck, man? Like, you're beating up a dude that has lung cancer. Like, what's wrong with you? Security.
They can't help you.
Like I said, I have lung cancer, man. What did I do to you?
Wait a minute. You're possessed by lung cancer.
What?
I must get it out of you. Finally, I defeated my enemy, lung cancer.
Hands in the air!
Uh-oh, now I must destroy the company. Whoop. Now you may think that's a wheel, but it's actually a bomb.